Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the seeds that I bought for my garden this year and why I bought them and what my goals are for my 2021 season. And one of the places, so I ordered from 3 different places, and I do need to do one more, but I didn't go fast enough, so I'm hitting, I had too much competition and I couldn't get the seeds I wanted from Johnny's. They sold out. So I'm a little upset with myself over that, but I do plan to see if I can either get them locally or maybe off of Botanical Interest, which it's just my bean seeds, and I'm just getting the basic Blue Lake Bush or Blue Lake 27. I forgot. But first, let me show you the seed order I got from Strictly Medicinal Seeds. I really like this company, and they have everything. I mean, really. So here's my plans. Is I would like to grow more medicinal herbs that are perennials specifically, and also I'm looking to do mostly natives. I want to transform the front of my home, the front garden, into something that looks beautiful and is also functional. I'm inspired by the English cottage garden idea, so I wanted to look whimsical, kind of a little bit wild, but at the same time have some, specific, I guess, design aspects in it. And so this is part of that. I have some herbs here that I know I wanted to use, so I am growing them in order that I can just get them from my garden instead of trying to buy them from someone online. So the first one is Mexican Arnica. And I tried growing the true Arnica last year, and I wasn't really successful with that. And I did read that it's supposed to be grown in the mountains, so it needs like a higher elevation. So I'm going to try this and see if I have more success. It's not perennial in my zone, but it's still something to try. Okay, the next thing I got was Angelica, and I forgot what this is for, but I have it all written down somewhere. I also, of course, then I got my lemon bergamot, which is great as a cut flower too. It's super, super yummy smelling. I just love the scent of this herb. It's also a great pollinator. I got the black cohosh, and this is, I believe, a native to North America, and it's also endangered in the wild because of its medicinal properties. People are over harvesting wild black cohosh, and so I thought I could grow some in my garden, maybe try it. I have never bought it because when I started to learn about herbal medicine, that was one of the first things I read, that it's over harvested in the wild, and so it's endangered. So I never bought it and tried it out, so I'm gonna grow it. Also got these, some of these I know I'm gonna say wrong because I've never heard anyone else pronounce it. I just have read it in a book, but it's Elle Campagne, and this one is also good as a cut flower too, so it's one of the reasons I picked it. Okay, I also got my escarole from here. Well, it's a new variety. I don't have this one yet. This is one of my favorite salad greens and cooking greens. And then I got evening primrose seeds, and I'm hoping to make some skincare tonics with that. Yeah, and I got unicorn plant. I have absolutely never heard of this before, but I got it because it's called the unicorn plant. So hopefully this is a really good herb. I don't know. I got hops. I was really excited to learn more about hops. I did not know that this plant is very closely related actually to the marijuana plant and the hemp plant. So it has very similar properties. You can use hops flowers to help calm yourself and feel sleepy before bed and get rid of anxiety. And then I also got the oats. This is for the same thing. It's a very good stress relieving type of thing. It's also good. You can use this as a cover crop, which I actually bought a larger pack from a different company for that purpose. And then I got the passion flower. I've never grown this before. It's not hardy in my zone. It only goes to zone 6, but I'm going to try. I did overwinter some zone 6 and 7 stuff last year on accident. I wasn't expecting it, but we'll see. And then I got the Pearly Everlasting, which is a really beautiful flower. And so I don't know about its medicinal properties, but it's really gorgeous and it is a native. I got the sea buckthorn and the self heal, which is also I forgot the other name for this, but I've been looking for this for a while. And then I got the skull cap. Okay, so those are kind of like a little bit more rare medicinal herbs. I don't see people as much growing when I'm watching videos, but they're out there. So then I just got my basic veggie seeds, so I'm not going to go through all of these because I don't have anything really that exciting in here. I got all these from M.I. Gardner when he opened for his 2021 seed selling season, and a lot of them I think got sold out pretty soon, but I know there's still some stuff there. But what I did get that was interesting, I got the toothache plant, which I have been wanting for a while as well. Okay, I had to get more culantro seeds. I just kill this plant like, well, it's a seedling like there's no tomorrow. I think I've bought like at least 3 packs of seeds, and I've had maybe 1 successful plant for this. Hopefully I can do better this year. I got a few new cut flowers. I got celosia and this peach colored aster. I really liked the asters. They're beautiful. I got some more poppies and lavender. My winter stone lavender did so amazing. I should do an update video. It's just so big and so healthy looking. I want to do more, so I really want like a big row of it. I got this is the lemon basil I talked about in my other video. And I also bought some more chamomile, though I really wanted to get a big pack, but like I said, it was sold out from Johnny's. And I got catnip for my herb garden. This is apparently, I didn't know, but this is actually really great for tea as well. I thought it was only for cats, but it's not. I had to wind up getting some new tomato seeds. My seed saving for tomatoes did not work out as I planned, so I had gotten some of those and some new zucchini seeds. I was trying to grow some different varieties of zucchini to see if I can actually get some harvest this year. My harvest was completely dismal last summer, which was a little disappointing. And then the next thing I'm really excited about is the order of seeds I bought from Prairie Moon Nursery, where they focus on selling strictly native plants. And I tried to look for stuff that was native to my area specifically, like if it was native to North America, but like in the Southwest, and I'm in the Northeast, so I tried not to get anything like that. I think I might have, there was a few things I just really wanted to try growing, but for the most part, I tried to stick to my area. And the first thing I got, I'm super excited about, is actually ramps seeds. So it says wild leek. I've never seen these in real life, but I know everyone's like crazy about them, and they're kind of endangered, I think. or something like that in the wild. So I'm getting these. I'm gonna grow them in my garden. It'll be fun. And then I got some really, really pretty, all different kind of like just pollinator flowers. I don't know if they'll be good cut flowers, but I got the Canada Milk Vetch. The wild indigos, I know that these can be used as cut flowers. I've seen that before. I got white and the blue indigo, which I think is like so pretty. And then I got wild hyacinth, which I was like, oh, that's cool. So we really like hyacinths. And this is interesting, New Jersey tea. Apparently can use it actually as a substitute for tea. Oops, excuse me, that's my cat's tail. Button bush. And this one, I actually saw this in the wild near my home, but I thought I would try to grow one. And at first I thought I would collect the seed wild, but I forgot where it was. And when I went back to it, I thought about getting the seeds after I had identified it, and I just couldn't. So I just bought the seed packet. And then I got these beautiful, this is fireweed, Joe Pye weed. This is so gorgeous. And if you look on their site, they have more pictures. You can look at everything, like if you have wet soil, clay soil, dry soil, you can look up all of that and it will give you recommendations. This is called sneezeweed, and one of my neighbors has this planted. I just love how cute it looks. And then prairie blazing star. This is pretty. And then this one I saw on a different YouTube channel for cut flowers, obedient plant. They have two obedient plants, but the other one was sold out, so I just got the original. And it's so pretty. It's so cute. And then I got the goldenrod, and this is also medicinal apparently, so I'm excited to try that. And for my cut flowers, I got the garden phlox and Solomon seal. And oh, just so you know, these say refrigerated seed, which I just noticed for the first time. And it says the seed has been stored under refrigeration until shipped. Keep in the refrigerator until planting. Oops. So hopefully I didn't ruin these. I'll update you guys, I guess, in about 4 or 5 months. But for the most part, these native seeds, I plan to winter sow all of these. I believe I wrote down a list of what could be and what I would plant, and I'm pretty sure all of the natives I'm gonna winter sow, which I have my station set up this year. I am trying to make it a little more efficient. So what we did is we have all of the jugs, we kind of like got a bunch ready to go, and we have our soil ready to go, and then you know, the labeling materials, and we're just going to kind of like go through it like kind of like a you know, like a factory line style, and try to get as many done. I saved a lot of jugs this year, so I'm definitely going to increase the amount of jugs I do for my winter sowing. And I do not have space to start all these in trays, so definitely most of them are going to be winter sown. Anything that's perennial, anything that's native to this area. Annuals, I'm not going to winter sow if it's something I need to harvest. So one thing I found with the winter sowing is that you are going to wait longer most of the time for like a harvest. So it's, for me, you know, it's not going to work out if it's something that's not perennial. But perennials, I can wait. I can be patient for the next year, and I can harvest it then. But well, I guess that's it. That's it for this video. So I hope you found it interesting. Anyways, what are you planting this year? And if you've decided to go in a new direction in your garden, what is it? And if not, you can also tell me about that. But I hope that this video at least inspired you in some way to do some gardening or some kind of nature appreciation. So, happy gardening. Okay, bye.